Solving quadratic equation by factoring. Number 3. X squared plus 5x minus 36 is equal to 0. So let's find the factors. We'll have here x times x. So yung 36, ano yung pwedeng i-multiply para magkaroon tayo ng 36? So doon na kaagad tayo sa makakakuha tayo ng middle term na 5. Kaya we use 9 times 4. 9 times 4 is 36. So, we consider the middle term kasi dito tayo magkakaroon ng 5. Yan. So, palaging tatandaan kapag minus yung last term, ibig sabihin yung isa plus, yung isa minus. Okay? So, alin dyan yung plus, alin dyan yung minus. So, tingnan yung middle term. Ang middle term natin ay positive. So, dapat mas maraming positive yung maiiwan. So, alin yung mas madami? Di ba yung 9? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ang pair ng positive at negative ay 0 na. Ilan yung natira? 5. 5 positive. Kaya, ang ilalagay natin sa plus ay si 9. At sa minus naman ay si 4. So, we have x plus 9 and x minus 4. So, equate na natin siya kay 0. So, x plus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to negative 9. Sa pangalawa naman, x minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to positive 4. From here, the roots of our equation are negative 9 and positive 4.